guys, it's me Mitchell and it's finally here, the hoverboard! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's the one that comes with the speakers on the bottom and has the LED lights. So I've seen people on the internet, like, they're just rolling and they look like so pro. So hopefully I turn out like them and not the other people that end up failing and falling. So come on, let's open it. Alright. Oh, okay, there's another layer. Alright. So, look, we have user manual smart scooter. Ooh. So anyways, here's the charger. Ooh, it looks cool. There's some Chinese writing right there. Yeah. Alright, so let's get this out of the way. Now, time for the moment that we've all been waiting for. Oh my gosh! That's so cool! Alright. Dang. How am I gonna... by the wheels? Or like... I don't know actually. Alright. I'm gonna need to stand up. Alright, there we go, there we go. I'll drop it and crush my hand. Okay, so now that I got that part... Oh man, there must be an easier way to open this. Alright. Like... Ah! Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3! Alright, so I got that part. Okay. We got this part right here. Alright, so this part down. And then let's bring this part up. Okay. It's heavy, as you can tell. Oh man. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Alright, so let's take it out of the bag. I want to try this out now. Okay. Alright guys, you ready? Set it down. Alright. Okay. This is it guys. The wheels are touching my floor. Alright. So. Alright. We have the LED lights and I think we have a speaker. So right now, let's hook it up. Alright, let's hook it up. So settings should be in Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth on. Oh, is that it? Yeah. Ooh, did you hear that, guys? Alright, so gotta be quick. Alright, what do you mean, guys?
What do you mean? Hey, hey, you don't want me to move, but you tell me to go. What do you mean? Oh, what do you mean? Just one at a time, what do you mean?
Alright, let's do another song. This is Justin Bieber's new song, guys. Sorry.
You gotta go and get out of my honesty. You know I try, but I don't do too well with apologies. I hope I don't run out of time, cause someone call a referee. Cause I just need one more shot, have forgiveness. I know that I make those mistakes maybe once or twice. Not once or twice, I mean maybe a couple of 100 times. So let me
Cool.